Hello student. Today we will see that how you can create connectivity apply in MySQL with JDBC. So first of all we open PHP So uh, open the PHP and create database. So here is the our database. Define the database name as faculty underscore info and create. Now we create one table that the name is defined as a faculty and the number of columns we define around 3 columns. So just to set the number that how many columns or how many types of data you want to save it. Now the column name is defined. So first column name I define that is number. Data type is integer, name as set as varchar, and subject that is also defined by varchar. Now we just set the varchar size of the data, that how much you want to store. So 2020 and save. Now here the table is created. Now we enter the data in our faculty table. So click on insert and add the data. For example, here we add 1, then name is defined and subject is defined. Then the second column, name is defined, then subject name is defined. So two records are inserted. Just set it, go. Here you see that the two records are inserted in our faculty table. So you can see the table. So two records are there. Now we create our program. For that you have to just apply MySQL connector jar file. To connect with MySQL database, there is a jar file is used, that is MySQL connector. We paste it in lib folder, Tomcat's lib folder. So you have to just paste in a Apache Tomcat lib folder MySQL dot dash connector dot jar file. So and set it in class path. As you all know that to connect with or to develop the servlet in JSP program, we set the class path. So same as here also we set the class path. So just set this path again. So we just copy the path until the lib folder of Tomcat. Now we open my computer in properties. In this advanced system setting, environment variable, here class path is already set. Now we just modify it. So just paste this whole path. See program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat and lib. So we just paste this path and MySQL dash connector add dot jar extension and semicolon. Okay and okay. So here is our program that how you can connect with JDBC with MySQL. So first you have to import two packages, java.sql.star and java.io.star. Then after we create one class, that is MySQL demo. Then after the driver is defined, that is com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Now, in the next step, we set the DB database URL, which defines the database path. So JDBC colon MySQL colon double slash localhost 3306, and the database name is faculty underscore info. Then the username and password is defined. Now we just in the main function create one object of connection class, that is gone. Then in the try block we just set class dot for name. So using this you can set the driver of the database. So here is our driver is set using class dot for name method. Then we establish the connection with the database. So driver manager dot get connection. In this we pass URL and username and password of the database. Then if successfully is connected, then it displays connected connection with database. Now we create one statement. So statement object is created using create statement method. Then to execute the query, we use a statement object st, and in execute query method we just pass the query as select star from faculty. So here faculty is table name. So all the data is stored in result set object R. In the next line we just set the column name, that is number, name and subject, and to fetch the data we just use next method. So while r dot next, then after system.out.println, and use it to fetch the data get integer get string method, and get string method is used with the object of result set. And in the bracket we pass the column name. So this is our try block, and to handle this any exception there is the catch block is defined, that is exception, and to print if any error occurred the object of exception is printed out. Now we compile this program. So just compile in this javac mysql demo.java. Here successfully our class file is compiled. Now we run the program. So Java MySQL demo. Here some error is occurred because we just jar file is set and our command prompt is open. So we just close command prompt, and again we compile the program and run it. So javac mysql demo.java, and now we run the program Java MySQL demo. So here is you see that the data, and there is error or in the column name, because here we set the column name as number, and in the get integer method is set that is id. So here is your data, number, name and subject is displayed. As you see in database there is the same database is defined. So to connect with MySQL you just have to changes in your data string or we can say that driver and the database URL. All the statements or functionality are same in all types of database connectivity. You just have to change the database URL and the driver. For that you have to set the different types of driver, or and for that connectivity jar files is also needed. So you can set this database connectivity with different types of database. So you see that the data is same as displayed. Okay, so here is the connectivity of MySQL.